Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Now we will learn to write about the fruit that I enjoy most. Now fruits, they are the vital part of our daily food if we want to enjoy good health. And we have a lot of fruits, varieties in the market, in variety, in colors, size, shape. There are lots to choose from, but you do not eat all fruits. Some of us say, oh, I just love these fruit, these are my favorite one, cherries, strawberry, mango, these are my favorite. Or somebody else will say other fruit, apples or pears are my favorite. So there is lots to choose from. The kind of fruit, the colors of fruit to choose from, and it is seasonal. Fruits are always seasonal. Different seasons bring you different fruits, and fruits contain a lot of vitamins, fiber that goes to make you a very healthy child. So when mommy offers fruits at table, learn to eat it, learn to say yes. And fruits will keep you healthy, they'll keep your skin fresh, they help you in digestion. The fruits help you to keep nice glowing skin, and they help you in your mind to do good learning. They keep you alert. Fruits are supposed to be full of vitamins. So when mommy says, take that fruit for today for lunch, have this for breakfast, you must say thank you to mama and take. So the fruits are very important in your life. Now, as a child, when we go to school, outside school, most schools have fruits sold, cut up and sold in the open. Even though we like that particular fruit, let us learn to say no. When the fruits are open, there is fly, all kinds of insects sit on it, and it is contaminated and you can get sick. Second, those fruits are not washed. Fruits that mommy gives you is washed. So the cleanliness, so just buy the fruit and eat, you can fall sick. So cleanliness go together with the fruit. Wash your fruit well, dry it, then eat. Never eat the fruits sold outside your school or anyway, or at the market. Just pick up a fruit and eat. Never do that. So a lot of precautions to be taken in eating fruit, and do not eat rotten fruit, half rotten. Maybe you brought some plantain, it's not very good. When you eat rotten ones, also it can make you sick. Learn to eat fresh fruits, wash it and consume. So now what are we going to write about? The fruits I enjoy most. When you say your favorite fruit, the most you enjoy, you can say apple. Apples can be eaten in any form, cooked form, fresh, you can make into pie, you can boil it, all kinds. When you say you can make into juice. Somebody else might say, I love mangoes. All seasons you do get mangoes, you get green mangoes, you get ripe mangoes, but it's a summer fruit mostly. Now fruits like mangoes can be eaten in any form, juice and jam and any kind, anything, pickle. So your favorite fruit, but it is not enough to eat your own favorite fruit, you must learn to eat all fruit. So today we are going to write about the fruits I enjoy most. The fruits I enjoy. I enjoy most. Okay? All the fruits I will try and eat. What is it? But the most I enjoy will be one particular fruit. Now, fruit should include, first of all, you have to say fruits. You must all remember, fruits should include, fruit should include as an important part, as an important part of our daily, they say, as an important part of our daily food. Our country has plenty of fruits, has plenty of fruits. Our country has plenty of fruits, available in shape, size and colors, okay, which are available in all shapes, colors and sizes. Lots of things. You are in the market with fruits of available in all shapes, sizes, colors. You do not know what to choose from, but you are choosing, you are enjoying your fruit you like. So naturally you will pick. Now, both the seasons, summers and winters, there is a wide variety of fruits available. That means all seasons, okay, all seasons we get different fruits. Now what do they contain? Fruits contain vegetables. They contain what do they contain? Vitamins. Fruits contain vitamins in them. Vitamins, minerals, and that's why we have to make it part of our daily food. Minerals and fibers. Vitamins, minerals, and it has got fibers. So fruits are very important for us. Now, what is the fruit I like? I love to eat, what is it? Mangoes. Then, what is the other thing you like? Mangoes, cherries, very good. And bananas. There are lots of fruits. It can be small banana, small plantains or big bananas, cherries of, there will be different kinds. Now you get berries also, mangoes, all these. So I love to eat mangoes, cherries and bananas. Now these can be eaten, these fruit that I love, these fruits can be eaten. How do you eat it? In many forms, in many forms. You can make them into, we can make, what can you make? Juice, very good. You can make them into juice, you can You can make into a pie. Then what you can do? You can make into a fruit salad. And if it is mango or green things, you can and cherries, you can pickle them, and pickles. Okay, so a lot of things you are going to do. You can eat them and make into variety of things. Now, you love to eat mangoes, you love to eat cherries, you love to eat bananas. Now, fruit salad you love. And what is sold outside your school? Delicious fruits are cut and kept there. Mangoes are cut and kept, cherries are on top, plantain, and they give you a little fork and you want to eat. So, what must you refrain from? I must not eat, or I should not. I should not eat fruits sold in the open, and they will make you sick. I should not eat fruit sold in the open. I should not eat fruit that are cut up and kept. I should not eat fruits that are cut up and not washed. Sometimes you get sick, and what does mama give you? She'll give you boiled apples. She'll boil fruits and give you. So when sick, okay, mama gives, and you learn to eat that, you will be healthy. Mama gives boiled fruits when I am sick. Now, when you go to visit people in the hospital, what do you normally take? You normally take fruits. So, when I visit people at the hospitals, I always take some fruit. So, the fruits I enjoy most. Fruit should include as an important part of a daily food. For all the 3 meals, you must eat some fruit, at least a part, at least half banana you must eat, and which will go to make you healthy. If you are looking for side, they are there. All seasonal fruits are available, okay? And then we get different fruit at different seasons. But throughout you get bananas of different sizes. Now, what does the fruit contain? The fruit contains vitamins, minerals, fibers for our healthy body. So, it is very important to keep in mind, include fruits in your daily food. I love to eat. Now, we are talking about what fruit you enjoy. Maybe some of you like mangoes, cherries and bananas. Now, what can you make with bananas and mangoes? Cherry. Mangoes can be pickled, it can be made into a pudding, it can be made into juice, all kinds of things you can do with mango. You can make cake, all sorts. Then cherries also, maybe you can make wine, you can boil it, you can do lot of things with cherries. Bananas, you can fry them, you can eat it ripe, you can eat it like a pie, all kind. So, fruits can be eaten in any form. If it is green, you can fry them. If it is too ripe, you can make it into some sort of pudding. Now, the fruits can be eaten in many forms. We can make juices, We can make a pie, we can make a fruit salad if you have variety of fruits in the house. And then if it is green things, you can make pickle. If you have green mango, pickle it. Now, when you talk about fruit salad, you love fruit salad, and when you go to school, on the way outside school, fruit salad is there sold, but do not eat. What must you say to yourself? I should not eat fruit salad, fruit sold in the open, any fruit sold in the open, because flies will sit on it and it is not washed, all the dust on it, so you can get sick. Then I should not eat fruits that are cut up and not washed. Outside the school, there will be fruits cut up and kept nice decorative manner. You will see papayas and you will see watermelons, so colorful. You will want to eat, but then it's not washed, it's cut up and it is full of bacteria. So I must say, I should not eat fruit that are cut up and not washed. Then sometimes mama will give, when you're sick now, not feeling too good, so mama gives boiled fruits when I am sick. So that's very good. Now when you talk about sick people, you go visiting the sick at the hospital or in somebody's house, you always carry some fruits. So fruits are meant for all people, whether you are sick or healthy, or if you are tiny or you are old. For tiny children also, you can feed them juices. Now, fruits you love, enjoy most is mango, cherry, banana. See that you eat it every day. Now, we have written a little bit about the fruits that I enjoy most, but then you can write more in detail about the taste, the feel, how good you feel eating that fruit, how happy you are to share with your friends or your siblings. So lots of things you can write about talking about the fruits. There are endless number of fruits, from tiny grapes to large jackfruit, but different tastes for different children. So we have written today about the fruits I enjoy most, enjoying the best fruit.